Good morning on a Friday. I just woke up. I woke up hearing knock on the door. Yun pala, delivery from Lazada. I ordered the Royal Kludge 61 keys mechanical gaming keyboard wireless slash wired Bluetooth plus USB dual mode RGB backlight PC keyboard for Windows iOS. There. And this cost at 1,900 plus. Yeah. Yeah, mahal. For a mechanical keyboard, almost 2,000 po. So let's check out if it's really worth buying. Actually, my son gave me an overview on buying a mechanical. Mas maganda daw pag mechanical dahil hindi madaling masira. Kung masira, replaceable naman yung mga keyboards. Keys! And I think this is very useful. See, this is how I really look pag umagang kay ganda. Filter? No filter. Makeup? No makeup. Not even foundation. So this is how I sleep and this is how I woke up. Yan, I'm gonna look at the packaging. I'm going to show you guys because I'm unboxing it right now and I'm gonna show you what's inside. And later on, we're gonna try to, run this thing para malaman talaga if it's really worth almost 2,000 for a mechanical. Itong anak ko talaga kasi. But there's a lot of mas mahal na mechanical keyboard. Yung Ayan Pro 2, yun yung bet namin sana, kaya lang medyo mas mahal siya. It's around 4,000 plus. So, let's check out if this 2,000 plus keyboard maganda ba. Okay? Uy, ayaw pa na ako. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Closer.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
It's wrapped like layers of dami 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Ay, my dogs want it. Oh, there. Ito ng dogs ko yan. You want some more? You want one, Bella? Hindi mo ko bilahan na. Royal Kludge. Wow! White ba akong di-order ko yan? White na wine. Look. This one. No spare. Walang spare. Hindi ba naman spare nga po? Colored keyboard. Ba't walang spare? Gusto konti. Saan isa ko yan? This is for the Type-C. Dad ka, nice dad, uy. Oh my god. And I even bought a bag for this. Ka nice, uy. Wala kuya, mas gwapa sa imo kuya. Sumok siya kuya. Okay, may pa on. Yeah, I turn it on. And look. Wow. I think this is good at night. What do you think, darling? Gamit ang mga type kuya. Disco party. Beaming.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days
there, we've used it. And all in all, perfect 10 yung ratings namin. It's really a beautiful, ang ganda ng keyboard na talaga yun. Soft to touch. Meron siyang sound effects na maganda pakinggan. Ganda rin yung mga lightings. Ang daming light effects and functionalities. Ayan, so, no regret at all buying the Royal Kludge RGB61 mechanical keyboard. Yun na. And, sorry I keep on saying, may mga spare na keyboards. Hindi, I meant may mga spare na keys kasi detachable yung each letter keys niya, detachable yun. So if in case ma-damage siya, you can just replace it. Meron na mga for sale na mga keys lang for mechanicals. Akala ko meron silang palibre na mga colorful keys. Kaya pala wala pala. Sine-check ko dun sa order ko, wala rin. But it's alright. It's really worth buying, and it's really worth its price.